Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra to review. But before I get into this video, you already know what I'm going to say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I will be reviewing this i-Blason Armorbox case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got a couple of requests to review this case, so I decided to pick it up from Amazon. I say a couple, it was a few of y'all out there that wanted to see this review. So I said, why not? I have the sub case Unicorn Beetle Pro, which is, very similar to this case, but it's made by i-Blason. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can your wireless charge? Is it easy to get the pen out? And I can already answer one question. This case adds bulk to your phone. It protects it because it is a heavy duty case. But let's get into it. I'll have the links in the description. With this case too, the Armorbox, they actually sent a screen protector in there as far as attached, and then they also sent it without. So that is a good move from them because I don't like using a built-in screen protector, but here it is. And I know other case manufacturers actually send it with both of them in there. So I'm glad they did that because you can pick. I mean, maybe if you're going somewhere dusty, you want to, protect your display, you can put this one on there. It does come with a belt clip holder. I mean, this belt clip is pretty strong. This is actually really strong. But here's the case. I have never used i-Blason's heavy duty case before, but I like that design. It has a kickstand on there. It says Armorbox. It has the extra grip on the sides. And as you know, it's a two-piece case too, so you're going to take it apart right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is take off this piece first by just getting your fingernail in there and separating it, hopefully. Maybe it's a little bit harder than the other ones. All right, so you get it apart at the bottom and then you just work out the top part all around the case. Be careful, you don't want to break it. But what I'm gonna do is try it with the screen protector on there first, just so y'all can see how that one looks, and then review it with the other one. But I know some folks out there will want to see it with the screen protector. So all you do to install it is start from the bottom. Again, work your way around it. And now you have the built-in screen protector. And let's see. Fingerprint scanner works. I need to redo that finger. It works. The pen is easy to get out too. Let's see how easy it is to create a note. Now it feels just weird writing, y'all. Like it's not responsive. Ugh. So if you want to take a note, if you're going to use your pen with a note, yeah. That is just not, that just didn't feel good. But here it is with the screen protector on there. I mean, again, if you drop your phone with the screen protector, you don't even have to worry about it. I mean, but let me take this apart. I'm gonna do my review with the one without the screen protector, but you can see it right there with the screen protector on it. All right, so to install it real quick, again, you put the phone in the bottom, in this top, well, the top piece, I should say, and then you just kind of work it around. I mean, you can start from the top, you can start from the bottom, but you just want to make sure, and actually take off, I guess you could take this off. That would be helpful. And now your phone is in there. I don't have the screen protector on there, so everything's going to work. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and tactile. Now, it's a grippy case, man. It definitely has bulk to your phone. but all the buttons are tactile. Look how much drop protection you get with this case. The grip is there. Do you get camera protection? Yes. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. From the top to bottom, even from the sides. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have this little flap. Again, would you cut this flap off? I don't know. A lot of people do. I usually leave it on there. The pen is easy to get out because they drop it down to the frame there. It adds bulk to your phone, y'all. Look how big the phone is in this case. But again, I can drop my phone and not really worry about breaking anything. Now the kickstand is going to be heavy duty. So here's the kickstand. It is heavy duty too. It's not going to be one of those flimsy ones that you get, but you can put it that way, this way, or that way. Whatever way you want it is there. I don't think this will break off very easily. I do like the back design though. And I like the grip on here, but this is like if I'm going out hiking somewhere, if I work construction, this is the case that I would probably rock every day out there. And even the microphone at the top lines up too. Look at that. I mean, this is a good case. It does remind me of the Unicorn Beetle Pro, but it's just their sister company, the i-Blason Armorbox. It's actually a nice case. And now here is the phone in the belt clip. So you can, if you want to keep it like that, you can. Also, if you do it this way, it fits in there really good too. Your phone is not going anywhere in this belt clip. But what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. Let's go over a couple things too. The fit is great. I mean, it's not going anywhere. It adds bulk to your phone. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem, even with this bulky case. Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. Everything lines up. The buttons are nice and tactile. This is a nice case from i-Blason. Again, if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.